Welcome to Sheboygan Chevrolet Chrysler Center. Today's special is a certified pre-owned 2017 Jeep Cherokee Latitude 4-wheel drive, stock number E2074A. 44,000 miles on this one owner, local trade, clean auto check history report. We sold this Cherokee brand new, deep cherry red in color. To be certified pre-owned, the vehicle goes through a very strict 125-point inspection, giving you the balance of a 7-year, 100,000-mile powertrain warranty. You also receive an additional 3-month, 3,000-mile maximum care coverage, along with 24-hour roadside assistance and car rental allowance. Cherokee seats 5, cloth interior. Split seat back folds down to accommodate longer cargo items. Backup camera for additional safety. Hitch and wiring. Lots of cargo space in the rear. And very clean, no dents or dings in the body. This Latitude has keyless entry, power windows, locks, mirrors, power driver's seat, along with a tilt and telescopic steering wheel to put you in that perfect driving position. With driver information system, controlled by buttons on the steering wheel, cruise control, large 8.4-inch touchscreen infotainment system for radio. It's also satellite radio capable, heating and air conditioning, navigation, Bluetooth connectivity for hands-free phone use or to connect other Bluetooth-enabled devices, great for wireless music streaming, and those, of course, were the backup camera displays. Hard keys below for the things you use most often. USB and auxiliary input, allowing you to connect media devices, and select terrain 4-wheel drive system, giving you the greatest capability, no matter what the surface. 9-speed automatic transmission with manual shift capability. Lots of storage space in the armrest. Additional storage under the front passenger seat, and a spacious glove box with all the owner's materials inside. Under the hood, this Cherokee has a 3.2-liter V6, 271 horsepower. And just as clean under the hood as the rest of the vehicle. EPA fuel economy estimates, average of 20 miles to the gallon in the city, average of 27 on the highway, and ready to go with new tires. Don't forget about that certified pre-owned warranty, protecting your investment. For more, please go to SheboyganAuto.com.
Choose Sheboygan Auto. We're conveniently located at 3400 South Business Drive or at 2701 Washington Avenue in Sheboygan, Wisconsin. SheboyganAutos.com.